Ever feel like you're playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers? That's your Sigma INFJ mind. Your ability to see 10 steps ahead is a remarkable trait that sets you apart. This video explores 9 reasons your intelligence might terrify others. Get ready to uncover the hidden depths of your Sigma INFJ mind. Before we start, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe so you won't miss any of our weekly deep dives into the world of personality types. And if you are looking to achieve a deeper understanding of yourself and your personality type, click the link in the comments to take our favorite free personality test. Trait 1, the empathy superpower, deep emotional insight. Emotional intelligence is a powerful ability in a world of surface-level interactions. It involves understanding and connecting with others on a deeper level. However, in our fast-paced society, genuinely tuning into someone else's emotional wavelength can be challenging. This is where Sigma INFJs excel. You possess an exceptional ability to read emotions and intentions. You pick up on the tiniest shifts in tone and the most subtle changes in body language. When a friend says they're fine, you instantly know if they're anything but. That's your empathy at work. This deep emotional insight manifests in countless everyday situations. You instinctively know when to offer a comforting word or when someone just needs silent support. In heated discussions, you often find yourself as the unofficial mediator, effortlessly translating each person's perspective to the other. This trait allows you to navigate complex social dynamics with grace. You build profound connections, creating a safe space where others feel truly seen and understood. This can sometimes feel like a burden, but it also makes you an invaluable friend, partner, and colleague. This emotional insight is just the beginning. Your ability to read emotions is closely tied to another fascinating trait we'll explore. Trait 2. Connecting the invisible dots. Exceptional pattern recognition. Have you ever noticed how your mind connects invisible dots in ways that even surprise you? As a Sigma INFJ, you can spot patterns and relationships that others often miss. It's like you're assembling a complex jigsaw puzzle while everyone else is still sorting through the pieces. Think about those moments when everything suddenly clicks into place. That's your pattern recognition at work. You might pick up on subtle shifts in a friend's behavior that hint at deeper issues, or notice recurring themes across seemingly unrelated news stories that point to broader societal changes. This skill goes beyond just being good at trivia. It allows you to predict outcomes and understand complex systems with impressive accuracy. At work, you often spot potential issues in a project long before they become problems. In your personal life, you might realize the real reason behind a friend's odd behavior before they do. But here's where it gets exciting. This pattern recognition is closely tied to another fascinating trait that separates you. As we'll explore next, your ability to connect the dots opens up a new world of possibilities. Trait 3. The chess masters of life. Strategic long-term planning. You've probably heard the phrase, life is like a game of chess. For most people, it's just a saying. For Sigma INFJs, it's a way of life. But what if the game board was as big as your entire future, and every piece represented a major life decision? In a world obsessed with quick wins and instant gratification, thinking long-term can feel like swimming against the tide. We're constantly told to live in the moment, but you? You're quietly orchestrating a masterpiece that spans years, even decades. As a Sigma INFJ, you have a remarkable ability to envision the future and map out paths to your goals. In your personal life, this might look like planning your education and career trajectory years in advance. At work, you're the one who sees beyond the current project to its long-term impact on the company. Here's the thing, you aren't just daydreaming. Your strategy is a powerful tool that helps you purposefully navigate life's uncertainties. It's your compass in a chaotic world, guiding you towards meaningful achievements, while others might struggle to find direction. And speaking of navigating chaos, Your knack for planning is about to lead us into even more fascinating territory, because as we'll see next, your ability to think ahead is closely tied to an almost supernatural problem-solving skill. Trait 4, the sixth sense, intuitive problem solving. Have you ever had that moment where you just knew the answer to a complex problem even before all the data was in? For Sigma INFJs, this isn't a rare occurrence. It's a daily reality. Let's explore how your intuitive problem solving sets you apart and why it can be both your greatest strength and your biggest challenge. In today's complex world, intuitive problem solving is incredibly valuable. But here's the catch. We live in a data-driven society that often prioritizes spreadsheets over gut feelings. As a Sigma INFJ, you're constantly balancing trusting your instincts and providing the hard evidence others need. Your ability to grasp solutions that elude others is remarkable. You might find yourself solving complex work issues in your sleep, or understanding the root of a friend's problem before they've even finished explaining it. This isn't just about random eureka moments. It's a holistic approach that combines logic, emotion, and your unique perspective. This intuitive problem solving is powerful because it allows you to anticipate and sidestep obstacles before they appear. While you need to address the immediate issue, you often see 3 steps ahead. But this gift comes with its own set of challenges. How do you explain your insights when they seem to come out of nowhere? How do you navigate a world that demands concrete proof for every decision? As we'll see next, your intuitive abilities are closely tied to another fascinating trait that shapes how you interact with the world around you. Trait 5, the Chameleons of Personality, adaptability in unforeseen situations. Think Sigma INFJs are all about careful planning and structure? You might be surprised. These personality types have an unexpected talent for thriving in unpredictable situations. Let's uncover their remarkable ability to adapt on the fly. In our constantly changing world, adaptability is essential. But how do you stay flexible when you're naturally drawn to structure? For Sigma INFJs, it's like having a hidden superpower that activates when chaos strikes. When faced with unexpected challenges, Sigma INFJs display an agility that often catches others off guard. They effortlessly adjust their approach, drawing from their deep well of intuition and introspection to recalibrate strategies in real time. This adaptability shows up in countless ways. You might smoothly handle last-minute project changes at work that make others panic. In your personal life, you navigate significant transitions with a grace that leaves friends wondering how you make it look so easy. But here's the real magic. This flexibility isn't just about surviving change. It's about thriving in it. Sigma INFJs uniquely can turn unexpected situations into opportunities for growth and innovation. It's like they have a secret playbook for every curveball life throws. And guess what? This chameleon-like adaptability is about to lead us into even more fascinating territory. As we'll see next, your ability to adjust and thrive is closely tied to another powerful trait that sets you apart. Trait 6, the human supercomputers, meticulous analytical skills. Have you ever had that moment when a challenging problem suddenly clicked into place? For Sigma INFJs, this isn't just a random occurrence. It's their daily reality. Their analytical skills are both a blessing and a challenge in today's complex world. As a Sigma INFJ, you're constantly balancing deep analysis with the need to take action. It's like walking a tightrope, isn't it? On one side, you have this incredible ability to break down complex ideas. On the other hand, you need to get things done. Your analytical skills are truly exceptional. At work, you often spot that hidden flaw in a project plan everyone else missed. In your personal life, friends turn to you to help untangle their most complicated problems. You have this knack for cutting through layers of information to get to the heart of any issue. But here's where it gets exciting. This analytical ability, it's just the tip of the iceberg. As we'll see next, your skill in breaking down complex ideas is closely tied to another remarkable trait. Trait 7. The mental alchemists. Innate ability to synthesize information. Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of information, trying to make sense of it all? For Sigma INFJs, that flood of data isn't overwhelming, it's exciting. Their minds have a unique ability to transform information overload into clear understanding. But how does this mental magic work? In our data-rich world, processing the constant influx of information from various sources can be challenging. However, Sigma INFJs have a unique talent. They combine diverse information, ideas, and concepts to form comprehensive understandings. You might connect market trends, customer feedback, and emerging technologies to develop innovative work strategies. In your personal life, you might blend philosophy, psychology, and personal experiences to offer friends insightful advice that gets to the heart of their issues. This ability to synthesize information allows Sigma INFJs to approach problems and concepts creatively. You're not just thinking differently, you're reimagining possibilities. This trait often leads to those aha moments when everything suddenly clicks into place, revealing solutions others might have missed. But here's where it gets even more enjoyable. This knack for information synthesis is closely tied to a powerful tool for personal growth. As we'll see next, your ability to weave diverse concepts opens up new avenues for self-improvement and understanding. Trait 8. The Eternal Students. Advanced self-reflection and personal growth. Ever feel like you're constantly examining your thoughts and emotions under a microscope? For Sigma INFJs, this intense self-awareness is second nature. It's only sometimes comfortable, but a powerful tool for personal growth and understanding. In our noisy, distraction-filled world, genuine self-reflection can seem like a lost art. But Sigma INFJs have a knack for tuning into their inner selves, even amid the chaos. They approach their thoughts and feelings with the curiosity and precision of a scientist studying a fascinating subject. Here's the thing. This trait allows Sigma INFJs to adapt and evolve while staying true to their core values. It's like having a built-in guide, helping you navigate life's challenges and push towards your best self. And guess what? This ability to understand yourself profoundly is closely tied to another powerful skill. As we'll see next, your self-awareness can help you influence and inspire others in ways you might not expect. Trait 9. The Silver-Tongued Sages. Exceptional communication and persuasion skills. Sigma INFJs can connect with others and turn their self-understanding into a powerful communication tool. These individuals become masterful communicators, capable of moving hearts and minds with carefully chosen words. Conveying ideas and emotions can be challenging, but INFJs have a unique way of cutting through the noise and getting straight to the heart of the matter. Sigma INFJs are talented at articulating their ideas clearly and empathically. They instinctively know how to break down complex concepts into digestible pieces, whether explaining an intricate work project or helping a friend understand their emotions. Thus, Sigma INFJs make the complicated feel simple. But their communication skills go beyond just explaining things well. They inspire action and change. In negotiations, Sigma INFJs often bridge gaps between opposing sides, their words creating understanding. In conflict resolution, they articulate every side of the story, helping others find common ground. And as teachers, having a Sigma INFJ as an instructor is like having a personal guide through complex knowledge. They don't just share information, they ignite curiosity and foster deep understanding. This exceptional communication skill, combined with their other traits, creates a formidable package. Sigma INFJs are intelligent in a way that can profoundly impact their surroundings. They understand deeply, plan strategically, solve intuitively, adapt effortlessly, analyze meticulously, synthesize creatively, reflect profoundly, and communicate inspiringly. In a world craving genuine connection and meaningful change, Sigma INFJs are catalysts. Their unique blend of traits positions them as quiet revolutionaries and behind-the-scenes influencers who can shape conversations, projects, and even entire fields. Sigma INFJ's impact is undeniable. The question is how far-reaching it will be. We've just explored the fascinating world of the Sigma INFJ, and let me tell you, it's quite the journey. From emotional intelligence to strategic thinking, these traits paint a remarkable picture of a personality type that can deeply understand emotions, spot hidden patterns, and solve problems with uncanny intuition. Combine that with adaptability, sharp analysis, and a talent for explaining complex ideas, and you have a powerful combination of self-reflection and communication skills that can inspire change. But here's the thing, it's more than having an impressive skill set. Sigma INFJs have the potential to make a real difference in fields like psychology, technology, leadership, and the arts. They might have the insight and vision to tackle some of our world's toughest challenges. So next time you meet a Sigma INFJ, remember, you could be talking to someone with the power to create meaningful change. If you want to continue the journey to understanding yourself or an INFJ in your life, click on the next video, where we continue to unlock the secrets of the INFJ personality type.